Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to be going through setting up your terms of service, privacy policy, and refund policy. So this was extremely easy. I just went to my online store, navigation, and I added it to our footer menu. So it'll be right at the bottom of our page. As you can see here, I have search, return policy, privacy policy, and terms of service. So actually really easy to do. Search is nice just in case they get to the bottom of the page and don't see what they're looking for. This is nice to have. I will show you exactly how I did this. So the first thing we want to do is go to pages right below online store here, and all you're going to do is go to add a page and then name the page. So I have created 3 pages: privacy policy, return policy, and terms of service. And I'll show you where to find this. This is actually really nice. If you go down to the very bottom left hand section here, settings, you can actually go to checkout, and you can go right to the bottom here, and you can actually generate sample refund policy, sample privacy policy, and sample terms of service. Now you do have to go through and edit these so that they have your address and then your contact information. So I had to go through and edit this a little bit, and of course it has this stuff, so you'll want to go in and edit all of this stuff. But just click the button, generate sample refund policy, generate privacy policy, and you're just going to go through and copy this and go back to your online store, go to your pages, and once you've created these 3 pages, just go through and copy and paste into these sections so that they look kind of like this. And now I've bolded all of the main sections here so that it looks really nice. And I've gotten rid of all of those little sections that we don't need. So of course adding an address and our support email at the bottom. So super easy. That is how you get that all set up and make it look really nice. So I will see you in the next video.